What's going on, family? Hope you guys had a great day, a better day than I did. Um, as you can see from the page that we are currently on, I had a terrible week. Well, when I say week, I had a terrible day. It's been a pretty bad week too. I started the week off bad, so that is a fair statement to say. It's been a bad trading week at least. Not following rules, not having discipline, and matter of fact, I gotta even just really write down my rules. I had some rules written down, but I haven't been following them. I've just been really going on momentum. That's not what I should be doing. I've been jumping in too many trades. I've been letting my losers like cloud my judgment. Like that's really my biggest thing. And even I can't even lie. I let my winners cloud my judgment too, because I be in profit and I won't take my profit. Like I'm hoping like to break equilibrium, or I'm hoping to like see that push up when I should just take my profit, call it a quit for the day, and watch the market for not even watch them. Just be grateful that I was able to take a dub out the market. You know what I mean? Because I've had so many could have been dubs, but I let them shits turn to L's. Like I said, I'd be up and that's another thing. I'm gonna start risking less and trying to make less too as well. Like I'm not gonna like if I because like I've seen $500 profit on a trade before, but I'm holding that shit to see 1,000. You know what I mean? I should just Cosmic. Be careful. Be careful. He's about to fall off the fucking table. Yeah, yeah. Yo, quick little thing. I don't like. It's been a bad day. I feel like my dragon is sick or something. I got him from PetSmart. That's probably not the best place to get a dragon, but every dragon needs a home, I guess. But they said like you shouldn't buy them from like we shouldn't get them from PetSmart, Petco. You should get it for like a reputable breeder and whatnot. But I just saw him and he was so cool. I even think it's a she. The guy told me it was a he, but I'm looking at this under its tail and I only see one of the glands. But I'm sorry, that's off topic. I just wanted to save bro before he fell into his death. He's already looking kind of sickly. He just hasn't been eating. He hasn't eaten for. I haven't seen him eat for a day. But okay, back to the story. Yeah. So I lost $1,054 today. Or yeah, $54 today. At least trade in my trading session. I don't know. Yeah. So I took a lot of trades. I think I took maybe 8 trades. Yeah, 8 trades. But the first 2 trades they were like 3 contracts, and then the last couple trades were 5 contracts. After I lost my, because I started the day with $50,400, and once I saw that I was at $50,100, I started going 5 contracts deep. Why? I don't know. Like I said in my car video, I don't know why I treat the TopstepX account like it's like a little, like what I'm saying, like it don't hold no value. Like I just be throwing that shit away. This is my third time literally throwing up the account away, like just chasing price. Like I can't chase price. And with the one time frame and shit, like it was working so like last week was a good week for that shit. Like the market was like trending up and like it had good trends. Like but this week has been killer with the one time frame and shit. Like that shit hasn't been holding true. At least the way it was last week. Because it's still a good method. Don't get me wrong. It's just I put too much faith in it. I got too cocky having such a great week last week. Um, I'm just so glad he's moving. What you call it? Yeah. So terrible day today. Did I even see the count go? I don't even think I saw the account go any higher than the original day, like starting balance I had today, $50,400. I just kept losing, and I took that. If I didn't have that fucking, excuse my language. If I didn't have the maximum daily loss limit, I probably would have just killed the account. The way I was feeling in my head, bro, like that shit when guys was talking about, oh, they see red, like that's the truth, bro. Like this, and I was at work too. People stressing me, mad work to do, and it's hot, and I'm in the basement of that bitch, and that shit got no AC. Oh Lord, excuse my French, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm supposed to be professional on this joint, but I just had so much aggravation. I worked out a little bit, so I got to pump in, and I'm feeling more energetic. That's why I'm so like amped up right now, I guess. But yeah, man, yo, today was just not it, man. Today was not it. I lost my speaker. One of the rude nurses gave it back to me, like she found it. So I appreciated that. You should have seen how she gave it back to me. She was like, "Excuse me, is this yours?" I said, "Yeah, thank you." She was like, "Okay." I was like, I was appreciative though. Like I wasn't stressing though. I knew I left it somewhere in the hospital, but if someone took that shit, it is what it is. It's like $90. I just use it to like listen to the VIP like FBA VIP calls and occasional like music and whatnot. So I wouldn't have been too stressed, and I want a black one anyway. But that's besides the point. So that's my first TopstepX account. Like the other one is cooked. I cooked that yesterday, so it's literally I was so like in my head I'm like, yo, bro, I really gotta go make this video, tell these good people that I done fucked up, and that I done had no discipline, had no what I'm saying, no, I just wasn't moving smart. Just wasn't moving smart. I was $400 ahead. Now I'm 1,000 something dollars behind. Like, you know what I mean? Look, damn. Yeah. See, I'm on the wrong account. Okay, bro. I thought that was the account I cooked today. I'm like, no way. Yo, they be killing me with this shit. But what am I trying to get to? Yeah. So this is the account that I cooked crazy today. Like I said, if I didn't have that maximum daily loss limit, it would have been done for. I just like took it to the ground, really and truly. Um, so yeah, total contracts. Yeah, I was going heavy. I was going heavy. I was 60. Whew. Yeah, yeah, I was going heavy. But damn y'all. You see, like I really cooked myself. So I took 7 trades apparently. Yeah, damn. Thought it took 8, but okay. What's that thought? Yeah, so we're gonna do better tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna like I'm gonna soon I'll make a video like trying to break down my risk and what like really what I want to risk every single trade and for every single instrument because each instrument is different and I want to treat it differently. Right now I've been on YM, but I don't know. It was sweet last week, but you see that's why they say you gotta like get yourself adept to like different market conditions because like you could jump in the market and it's really sweet 1 week or 1 month, but then the next month like you're just getting chopped up. You don't know what to do. Like and imagine I can't imagine if you really had bills to pay, man. Like if I didn't have like my actual job, which I freaking hate. If you don't hate your job, good for you, man. I'm really happy for you. Like if you really don't hate your job, you love going to your job, and I'm sure there's people that really love going to their job in the morning and doing what they gotta do. People that really help people. But I hate my job. All I do is like stock shit in the hospital, like needles, syringes, shit like that, solution, whatnot. Order the supplies. That shit, man, and them nurses and them doctors, man. It's just more motivation for me to take this shit to another level. You know what I'm saying? Just work on it day by day, and that's what these videos are for. Hopefully, I could eventually give you guys some value because I know I'm probably not providing the most value right now. Right now, this is probably just entertainment, maybe a little bit of motivation. Psych, what am I motivating? Yo, bro. But yeah. So yeah, that's that. Let's see. My regular Top Step account, I kind of cooked that as well. I had how much trades I had? I didn't have very. Yeah, I took. Oh damn! I took 7 trades. I took 7 trades today on this account. It didn't feel like that. I don't. I could have swore it was like 5 maybe, but even less than that. But I took $312 in a loss, like in total losses or whatever for today. Um, yeah, like I told myself, yo, I lost $300. I'm not gonna like trade this account anymore. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of proud of that because I cooked this account very early, like very early in the day. It wasn't even 9:30 yet. Market didn't even open, but I had already cooked this shit. Cause I just saw a setup. I really thought we was about to, you know, uh, be bearish for the morning because we were at the top of, we were in premium right in the morning. God, I'm tired. You see, coming down from that little workout high. But yeah, we were in premium. I tried to short. I got stopped out a couple times, and then the market eventually went short. But I told myself I wasn't gonna trade anymore. I already took $300. $300 was gonna be like my max daily loss limit for like just all my accounts in general, I suppose. But like I said, I'd be fucking around on the TopstepX account. I'm gonna put that to end. I'm gonna stop that. Eventually, I'm gonna when they get rebuild and all that, I'm gonna just copy trade both of them together, and I'm gonna like really move uh not scary on that account, but I'm gonna take it very not very slow, but I'm gonna cut down my risk, and I'm gonna try and go for like $100 winners per day or something like that. Because like I had $300+ winners, and I just hold it and I let it run negative because I'm hoping for those big winners. Like I don't need those big winners. The small winners, small wins add up. Like you know what I mean. That shit really holds true. Small wins add up. I keep looking for the big wins, but if I just take my little bit of profit and go by my day, I would have had such a bet. Like you know what I mean. I wouldn't have been so aggravated and stressed out and why I gotta be here. Why is it so hot? Why are these nurses bitching? Like oh my, you know what I mean. Don't get me wrong. I very much respect nurses and doctors. My mom is a nurse and whatnot. Like I understand first responders and whatnot, but just the nurses in my job in New York City. New York City in itself is rudeness. So you can imagine nurses and doctors in New York City beyond rudeness. So yeah, that's just my little gripe. Yeah, so that's my Top Step account. How long has this been? Damn, 12 minutes. All right, Apex. Apex. I started to cook myself and I told myself, yo, bro, you need to relax. Like, I have an over trading problem. Like, I don't know what it is. It's like I just want to give money away. Like, and it's not even real money at that. It's prop firm money. But, Lord, like I just gotta be more diligent and I gotta be more disciplined with my trades. I gotta like define my A1 setups and only go for those A1 setups because there's been setups that have taken me to the moon, but not every setup is the same. Like a setup might look the same, but it's not gonna give the same results. And I've realized that because that's what I like struggle with because I see a setup and I think it's gonna be sweet like that last time, but it's not sweet. YM was not trending how it was trending last week. Oil wasn't trending today how it was trending 2 weeks ago. It was trending crazy if you got in on that uptrend because right now it's at like 80 something a barrel, and when I started looking at it, it was like what 76 or something like that, or 77, and that's a good move with the amount of like each point is worth. That's a good move. You know what I mean? Um, so yeah, like yeah, it's just I gotta be more diligent. I gotta be more disciplined. So yeah, that's I don't understand. This interface is shit. So that's my Apex account. I kind of I can't remember exactly what I took it to, but I did lose money today on my Apex account. I probably lost about $200, and I told myself if I lose $300, I'm gonna call it a day. So I took one more trade, and I was able to have a pretty decent winner. And yeah, so I ended the day with $159 in profit. And I just called it a day, and that was probably I trade each account like literally. That's probably bad too. I gotta not do that. I trade each account back to back. Like so, if I say I take like a win, another problem too. I'll take a win and I'll still trade on that account. Like I'll go for another winner. I think I'm gonna like if I get one big winner, I'm just gonna call it a day. Maybe if I get one small winner, I might try for another small win, and that's that. But if I get two losses, I gotta call it a day. Especially if I like lose like $200. Because 250, I want it to be my max. 300, I was just going 300 today because I like the number three, and that just goes to show that right now I'm really just bullshitting. Um, so as y'all seen this, I'm in my bullshitting era. I will be in my taking this shit super serious era. I'll be in my professional era. I'll be in my disciplined trader era soon. I just gotta continue to work on myself. As you see, I'm trying to work out more. A healthier you is a better you. So yeah, I'm trying to do that too. And I could just see myself like taking this shit far, being able to provide for my family and whatnot. If I really, make this skill my own. You know what I mean? If I really, I can no longer be a jack of all trades because I kind of used to feel like I was a jack of all trades. I used to feel like I could do it all, whatever. Like I search up whatever I look into, I could, do it kind of, sort of, and I'd be decent at it. But I don't want to be decent anymore. I want to be good. I want to be great. I want to be, what I'm saying, the best I could be. So I got to really crack down, back test. I got to forward test. Yeah, I just got to keep trying to give it my best in the market. Be more disciplined. Be more, show more restraint. You know what I mean? Practice more restraint because I have no restraint. And less greed too, because I never realized I was so greedy before this trading stuff. Like, if I know it's not real money, but the fact that it could be real money, and the fact that you could just see like your $0 go from negative what 140 to like positive 200 to back to negative 20 to up $500. That's crazy to me. You know what I'm saying? That's off of a screen. So it's just like the greed aspect is like really killing me right now. I'm gonna try and become a less greedy person. Understand that this is a long term game. This you can't you can't expect. Don't get me wrong. I know people hopped in here and got crazy gains off the bat, but that's not what I'm here for. I'm here for longevity. I'm here for sustainability. I'm here to, better myself for the long run. I want to be able to take trips. I want to be able to, buy that M3, that Porsche GT3. Hey, I'm calling out from now. We're going to get that Porsche GT3. It's not going to be an RS. I don't need all that. Just need a little GT3. Word. Need that. But before I do all that, just need a little calm M340i. You know what I'm saying? I'll be grateful with that until I get my money on up. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we just gonna take this serious. I want to be able to provide for my people, help myself. Cause you gotta help yourself before you help anybody else. Cause if you're not helping yourself, you can't help nobody else. You know what I mean? So yeah, like I just gotta do better. All right, so we're gonna wrap it up. The last account I want to talk about is the Blue Knox account. I could have cooked it, but I didn't. I took two losses and I kept it pushing. $115 in losses today. It is what it is. This is the Blue Knox account. Like I said, I kind of be fucking around on this shit, but I gotta take it more serious. It's only $17 a month for this account. I just don't like the interface and how I have to use the mobile app. The mobile app, bro. Let's talk about it. TradingView was on some bullshit. I know it might not even be TradingView. It might be the fact that I work in a basement in a thick ass hospital and my Wi-Fi be shit. But I'm in profit. I'm trying to close the trade at the top of the range. I'm pressing exit, and this shit ain't exiting. And I'm looking at it. It went like clear, not clear, but it went more like transparent, translucent, or whatever the hell. And it wasn't closing my position. So that shit went from positive 100 something dollars to positive $30, and I was so fucking livid. I was mad. I tried to close my position how many times? I'm over there like, bro, you don't understand how mad that had me. That's another reason I was pissed, because that shit happened like two times. like I've been trading in my at my job for a couple, like probably what, 3 weeks, 2 weeks now. Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks consistently now, and I never had that issue before. I'm really pressing that shit, and it went translucent, like it was trying to, like it got the action, like okay, he's trying to cancel, but it was processing, and as it's processing, that shit is running negative. Is like is my money, the money on's gone. Money on is gone. Where's the money on? Like, bro, I was so mad, but it is what it is. Gotta do better. Gotta get my Gotta get the. I can't even do nothing about the Wi-Fi. It's the corporate Wi-Fi, bum ass Wi-Fi they got in there, bro. Like, come on, bro. Making me lose money on, bro. But yo, y'all, I want y'all to have a beautiful day. I hope tomorrow's Friday. We're gonna try maybe get some small wins tomorrow. See what we can do. Hopefully come back on a more positive note. Today wasn't the best day. You know what I'm saying? We want to bring positivity and prosperity to the atmosphere and whatnot. And yeah, so I want you guys to have a great day. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Stay productive. Stay beautiful. Stay energized. Stay glorious. Stay magnificent. All right, this guy's chatting. Safety, y'all.